Good morning, this is Uncle. Yeah, that's fine. Good morning, this is Uncle Mike 392. I'm out here with this SRT Challenger Scat Pack 2016. It was on the showroom floor. They got it out here. And that's even better for me. I know you guys can hear that generator in the back, but hey, I gotta hear it too. So he needs to have that generator on because he's doing something else on the other side over there. I apologize for that. And this is what we got right here. Check this out, man. That's right. SRT is in the house, baby. In the house. It's a bad boy right here, man. Let's look at this. It's got little details on it. Let's get some of this. I can't see it on the corner. The sun is on my screen, baby. All right, let's get it up there. There you go. Oh yeah, here we go. Check it out, son. Look at that stitching right there. There you go. There you go. Got that 392, Uncle Mike 392. That's it, baby. Okay. So that's how you take them dinks out of your rims when you hit the rims, when you hit the curbs and stuff. That's how you do it. I just wanted to show you guys how they take the dinks out of your rims when you bang them. I got some on my car. I need to talk to them about taking them off my Jag and my Kia. I got them on both of my cars.